Look, man, you can do this. If Brian and I can do it, you can do it too. Stop waiting on making your dreams a reality. You got this, man. So check this out. In 2016, your boy was working 2 full-time jobs, and I worked this 3 to 11 and then 11 to 7 overnight. And when I got off in the morning, I would get home sometime like around 7:30 a.m. And right around 8 p.m., I would hear these lawnmowers get turned on, and then there'd be guys out here, and they would be cutting my neighbor's yard. So I used to get pissed because I'd be like, I just got home. Why don't these guys get a real job? I'd look out and I'd be like, you got these grown men out here and they're cutting grass. They need to get a real job. Well, I didn't know that years later, I would also be cutting grass and owning a lawn care business. But I used to look outside, like I said, and it would be this guy here. His name is Brian, and it would be him and like 2 other guys. I'm not gonna mention their names, but it would be these guys out here. And then one day I was talking to my guy, Mr. Rich, he's my neighbor, and he was like, they do 38 yards in a day. And I was like, what? 38 yards in a day? 38 at $35? Back then, this was in 2016, I was thinking, that sounds like some money I wanna make, right? That's kind of what started the whole thing with me going down the rabbit hole, watching YouTube videos and all of that stuff that eventually led me to start the business. But it was these guys out here, and he's the owner. His name is Brian. But I would see this. There was a red truck, and then he got this truck, got the dumper dog thing in the back, couple Toro mowers, string trimmers and all of that stuff. But I seen him doing his thing, and he's one of the people that inspired me. So let's go over and talk to him real quick. We'll go over his setup and see how he's doing things. This is my man Brian. What's going on, bro?
Hey, how's it going?
How are you?
Good.
He didn't know he was going to be in a YouTube video, and I didn't even know I was going to record a YouTube video, but he's here. So Brian, if you don't mind, can we go around your setup real quick and just see what you got on your trailer?
Sure.
All right, so we're gonna go around Brian's trailer real quick. He's running solo. I'm gonna let you know what he's using to get this job done each and every day, because you could do this too. We ain't special, we just got to it. So let's go over his setup. Let's go. How long you been in business, and what is the name of your company?
H&S Services and since '89.
Since 1989.
Yeah. Well, actually, back then it was a different name, and I had a partner
My man.
back then.
All right, so can we go over
Yeah.
your truck real quick first? We'll do the truck first and then come back and take a look at the equipment. Is that okay?
That's fine.
All right, so what type of truck do you have?
It's 2012 Chevy 2500 HD. 198,000 miles.
Whoa, 198,000 miles.
Just put a transmission in it this spring.
Nice. So how long have you had the dumper dog in here?
I think I got it a couple years later. It was probably 14.
2014. All right, and that helps you out with leaf cleanups and.
Yeah, I put up a little higher, and I have a leaf vac that fits on the front of the trailer over the tongue, and mulch jobs. Put 3 yards in it.
Nice.
And,
so you're solo. You seem to have a pretty efficient setup. Can we go over your setup real quick?
Yep.
I hope you're enjoying the video, but why I got you. Are you going to Equip Expo? If so, I want to invite you to the 2025 Win in Life meetup at Equip Expo. It is Wednesday night, October 22nd from 6 to 9 p.m. It is 100% free thanks to the sponsors. But we got 100 grab bags for the first 100 attendees. Food will be free while supplies last, so make sure you get there early so you can eat. We got a cash bar available if that's what you're into. But we got 8 lanes of bowling upstairs. We got arcade games, pinball machines, pool tables, dartboards, and a cash bar downstairs. Let's go. We'll be playing 3 games. We got the Strike Challenge, which was won by my homie Carter Glad last year of RFS Landscaping. We got the Rock, Paper, Scissors tournament that was won by my homie Jeffrey Campbell, and he's like a 2 or 3 time winner at the Winning Life meetups. And last but certainly not least, we got the Best Dress Contest, which you get to decide by crowd participation, and it was won by my homie Ron Folk last year. So I hope to see you there October 22nd from 6 to 9 p.m. And right after that, we'll be doing the Lawn Care Power Moves podcast live show with my homie Cedric Still Cuts the Best in front of the live studio audience, where we'll be having a giveaway there. There will be some door prizes available to you. But if you're not registered for Equip Expo already, man, use code MACK50, save yourself 50% on your Equip registration. Let's go. I hope to see you there Wednesday night, October 22nd from 6 to 9 p.m. for the 2025 Win in Life meetup. Now let's get back to the video. Let's go. So what type of trailer is this?
It's a Mustang. They're out of business now, but used to be Stone & Company made them, but we had it made. I got this side gate, but I never use it.
Yeah.
It's heavy, and you can't put any type of assist on it.
I got you.
But it's an 18-footer.
18 foot, 7 feet? 7 feet
I never really, I think it's only 6 something.
All right, so we'll go 6.5 by 18.
Yeah, 18.
Tandem axle. And what are the mowers that you're using right now?
This one that I don't use all the time, it's a Direct Collect Toro. Yeah, I got it at Penn Hills Rental. It was a demo, and no one would buy it.
Right.
So I got it really cheap.
This I've
It only
always
had 600 hours on it.
Really? So I tried the, what is the other one? It's like yellow Walker.
Oh, Walkers.
And
It's their version of Walker.
I'm gonna tell you something right now. I could not figure this thing out with the handles. With you just use
Yeah,
it
but
too. I couldn't figure it out.
I like it, and it gets heavy with wet grass.
Okay.
You dump it on a tarp.
Yeah.
I need some kind of, they do make things so you can dump it over, but they're kind of expensive. I use it mostly for leaf cleanups, and if my back's hurting, I don't want to bounce around on the grandstand.
My man. All right.
But the only thing is, it's not good on hills. You can't go sideways on banks, but you can back up hills real good.
Nice. All right. So and back here we have the Multiforce.
Multiforce, yeah, I got that during COVID.
I love my Multiforce.
I also got the bucket with it, the mulch bucket, and I got the 4-foot plow.
Nice. I actually got it because I wanted to do plowing with the Multiforce. I didn't think I could afford a plow, it turns out. I ended up buying a plow and a Salter and all of that.
That was the cheapest thing I think they had.
Yeah, I never did actually get the plow, but I have the aerator, the dethatcher, and the Multiforce bucket as well. Using still BR600?
Yeah, and I have a 700 and 800, but I only use those for leaves. All my hand tool, or my small stuff is still. Nice. I think I have one. I have an Echo Bed Redefiner, it's called.
I like that thing.
Yeah.
Unless
it's muddy.
For sure.
But this time of year, it's great.
Absolutely.
When it's dry.
If it's dry. I've been thinking about grabbing a Gorilla Lift for my trailer because I got a SureTrack trailer, and the little springs that help assist it up, they both broke. So now we're just lifting the whole
Well, this isn't the original gate. I had a smaller gate, and the mower decks were hitting. It was too, so this is cambered. It goes
I see
at the end, but it's way heavier. So it's even heavy with the Gorilla Lift.
Really?
And one of the springs broke about 2 weeks ago, and it was hard pulling it up by myself. But yeah, messed my back up doing that.
And this is a commercial 21-inch?
Yeah,
Toro?
I like that. It's heavy, but it goes up a hill good. And I used to have the personal pace, but you have to use your shoulders to get that thing to. This, it goes. But it is heavy.
This is good information from a vet. All right, we're going to go around this other side. I didn't know the Gorilla Lift was on both sides. I thought it was a one-side thing.
I think if your gate's real light, you can. I had it on a smaller trailer, and I could actually, with two, just pick it up with my foot, and then not even bend over, and then put it up. But this, you have to lift.
No doubt. We got the gas can racks over here. It looks like an old trimmer spool rack that is out of commission.
Yeah, I left it on during the winter, and it broke.
And then steel trimmers with the Darwin. Is this the Darwin's grip?
Yep,
Nice.
the new one. I never used them till this year, and my home weed whacker doesn't have one, and I don't bend over far enough to. I was missing things. I was like, why am I not cutting anything? And it's because you're standing up straight with this one.
Yes.
And I was trying to do that without a Darwin grip.
Oh, okay. I see.
But then I bought this, the sidewalk edger, which no one really uses. And places where people have sidewalks going through their yard, like street, grass, sidewalk, it makes it so nice.
Nice.
I use it at my dad's house a lot in a few places. But if you don't have a cement sidewalk or along the driveway, it doesn't work good on pavement. It has to be sharp.
I like how you've made the heavy ramp over there also a tool holder.
Yeah,
so
that's
pretty
yeah.
cool.
I thought about just taking it off, but and put a piece of metal across there, but
No doubt. And you got to stay hydrated, especially in this heat, because if you look at this grass down here, our grass is not very hydrated, but we as humans, we got to stay hydrated. So he has the water jug here on the back. But Brian, before we end this video, what advice would you give to someone if they're just starting their business out?
Route density. The day like today, I have a lot of 2 and 3, and even though I'm doing more today, it's easier than doing 10 separate ones. So yeah, definitely route density.
So as a solo operator, how many properties are you taking on a weekly basis?
50.
50. And is that more easily manageable for you than it used to be when you had employees and everything?
Yeah, I mean, it's harder on my body, but it's easier. We had way more, but we were spread out. I even went out to Breezewood, 100 miles away, once a week. We had gas station franchise that a friend of mine had the contract, and he subbed me out for it. But yeah, we were putting a lot of miles on the trucks then. But yeah, I'm just basically in 2 neighboring little towns, and about 5 miles apart.
And last question, why do you think someone should start a lawn care business if they're thinking about starting a business?
I mean, if you're a person who likes, I'm not an inside person, and I like being outside, even in the wintertime. So that might be part of it. You like to make your own plans and know what you're doing that day. I know what I'm doing every day ahead of time. You're not surprised with anything, you know.
No doubt.
But and if you like working for yourself, it's a good business to do.
I love it, man. Well, listen, I hope that you got something cool from this video. Like I said, my man Brian didn't even know we were gonna do a video today, but I did see his setup out here, and he is solo, and he's one of the people who inspired me to actually get in this business. And if it wasn't for guys like him, you wouldn't be seeing me on YouTube or hearing the podcast or the Winning Life University group or any of the meetups or anything like that. So I appreciate you watching. Send my man Brian some good words of encouragement on the video, because he does watch the channel, so he will get to see that. But look, man, you can do this. If Brian and I can do it, you can do it too. Stop waiting on making your dreams a reality. You got this, man. The Creator created you to create whatever you want because you deserve it. So get out there and do it. As always, I love you. I appreciate you, and I wish you nothing but success. We out. Peace.